let's have a look at the group settings for these images here, which includes the group types. So the default one in this template is a grid, as you can see that's selected here. And essentially what that looks like, well, it's a grid. So you've got all your different images of this delicious, mouth-watering food. Yeah, I'm really hungry looking at this. And if you've added a caption, it will appear. Okay, now you can see that that's clickable only because I've logged in, even though it's in design mode. None of the rest have captions, so if you were thinking of adding one, then you would need to add all if you're using the grid method. So let's go back to storyline and then try a couple of different group type settings. So I'll go up to group type, and I'm going to select stack, which is pretty cool. Okay, and then we're going to go to design to see what it looks like. Okay, so you've got your image here, which is out of proportion to the rest. That's because I changed the focal point on that. The old focal point used to go right in and zoom in, so the image would have been the same size. Okay, so just be aware of that. Anyway, the way stack works is you just click on an image and it goes to the next one. So it'll slide the top one off like in a deck of cards and put it to the bottom. So let's see if it goes all the way. Yeah, so you can just keep going backwards and forwards there. Let's have a look at one more for now. Let's have a look at slideshow. Okay, there's a few different slideshows here. I'm going to look at the top one. Okay, so again, just all you need to do is select your group type setting, go to design to test it, and yeah, just go ahead and test it. So it's just exactly what it says. It's a slide, so you can just go through each one. So depending on what set of images you were going to put in and how you wanted to present that, then would determine your group type setting.